Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today I'm going to show you some amazing automation that can help in boosting your productivity of your HR team. So if you are an HR or you are a part of an HR team, then this video is for you. So I have created all these amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. So if you want to learn how I can set up all these amazing automation, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today I'm going to show you some amazing automations that can help you in enhancing your productivity in HR team. So if you are an HR or a part of an HR team, then these automations are definitely gonna help you. So we are going to see that how we can automatically generate transfer letter, offer letter, increment letters, and how we can compile employee data automatically, how we can send birthday wishes to employees automatically, and how we can take employee feedbacks and share it with our team automatically. So we are going to learn all these automations to improve our work efficiency and to increase our productivity. So we are going to learn how we can set up these amazing automations, and we can set up these automations with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and with Pabbly Connect we are going to create these amazing automation without any coding and programming skills. So how we can access Pabbly Connect? For that we need to open a new tab and we need to search for pabbly.com/connect, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just set up on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I have created these amazing automation for enhancing my productivity in HR team. So I'm going to show you how I have set up these amazing automation one by one. So let me take you to my first automation. So my first automation is to automatically generate offer letters, and here my objective is that I have created a database in my Google Sheet where I'm going to add the details of all the selected candidates, and as I'm going to add new candidate detail, then automatically by using that candidate detail, I'm going to create an offer letter by using Google Docs template that has been already created in Google Docs. And after creating this document by my template, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this file shareable so that I can share this document with my candidate. So for setting up this automation, what I have done is I have first set up my trigger, and in my trigger I have used Google Sheet as my trigger application, and my trigger event was new or updated spreadsheet row. So in this trigger application, I have first connected my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, and after connecting my Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect, I have received the response of my candidate. So by using all these candidate detail, what I have done is I have first set up my filter, and in this filter I have used these label. So in my Google Sheet I have a particular column which is for status. If I have to generate the offer letter, then I will have the status of generate. So I'm going to use that label, and in the filter type I have used equal to, and in the value I have given the value of generate. So by using this filter, I'm going to generate my offer letter. And as I'm going to get the status of generate, I'm going to use my next action application, that is Google Docs. So by using Google Docs, where I have created my document template, I'm going to create new offer letter for my candidate. So in my document template, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map all the detail of my candidate, and as I will map all these details, these details are going to get replaced in my template, and I'm going to get new offer letter for my candidate. And in the last, I will use my last actions tab, which is for Google Drive, and in this I'm going to use my action event as share a file with anyone. So by using this action event, I'm going to make my document shareable, and after making this file shareable, what I can do is I can add one more actions tab to share this offer letter as an email with my candidate. So similarly like this, I can create this automation for generating transfer letter, increment letters, termination letter, and etc. Now let me take you to my second automation. And now my second automation is to automate employee data compilation. So here my objective is that I have a data form in Google Forms, and now whenever my employee fills that form, I'm going to get their details. So whenever I'm going to get a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that form submission, And I'm going to use all these details to first compile that in a document. So for this, I already have to create a template in Google Docs. And by using that template, I'm going to compile all my Google Forms details into a document. Now, after compiling that data into a document, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this document in a new Google Drive folder with the name of my employee. So here my trigger application is going to be Google Form, and with this trigger event, I'm going to get the new response of my form submission. As I'm going to get the detail of my new form submission with my employee details, then automatically by using all these details, I'm going to generate a document by using my Google Docs template. So I need to fill all the detail of my employee here in this template, and I can compile these details into a document in Google Docs. Now after compiling this data, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my next action application, which is Google Drive. And by using action event of share a file with anyone, I'm going to make this document shareable. So after making this file shareable, again I'm going to use Google Drive to create a subfolder with the name of my employee. And after creating that subfolder, I'm going to upload a file in that particular subfolder. And in the file, I'm going to upload the file of the document that I've just created for compiling data. So this is how I can automatically compile the data of my employee by using Google Forms, Google Docs, and Google Drive. So this is my second automation, and now I'm going to take you to my third automation. Now my third automation is to automate employee feedback surveys. So here my objective is that for getting the employee feedbacks, I have created a form in Google Forms. And now by using that form, employee can give us feedbacks. So now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, that automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that form. I'm going to capture the details of that feedback, and I'm going to share these feedbacks details with my team so that we can work on our feedbacks and we can improve in the places where we have to. So here my trigger is going to be Google Forms, and my trigger event was new response received. And with this trigger event, I'm going to receive the detail of new form submission from Google Forms. And as I'm going to receive the new form submission, then automatically by using all those form submission details, I'm going to create a message and I'm going to share all these feedback details on Google Chat with my team. So this is my third automation, and now I'm going to take you to my last automation. So here this is my automation to automate birthday wishes for your employees using Google Sheet and Gmail. Now with this workflow, what is going to happen is that as I have all the data of my employee in my Google Sheet, and by using all those data of my employee, I'm going to search for the birth dates of my employees. And as the employee's birthday will match with my current date, then automatically I'm going to capture the detail of that employee from my Google Sheet, and I'm going to send an email with my birthday wishes to that particular employee by using Gmail. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first set up my trigger, and my trigger application is going to be scheduled by Pabbly, and I'm going to schedule my workflow for every day. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my actions tab, and first in my actions tab, I'm going to use date and time formatter to get the current date. And after getting the current date, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use text formatter. And by using text formatter, I'm going to split my current date into month and date and year. So after splitting my date, I'm going to use Google Sheet as my action application. And here my action event is going to be lookup spreadsheet row V2. So by using this action event, I'm going to search for my employee birth date as my current date. And as I'm going to find the employees who has the birth date as my current date, then automatically by using iterator by Pabbly, I'm going to process the values of all my employees one by one, and I'm going to send email by using my action application as Gmail, and I'm going to send birthday wishes with that particular email. So with this automation, we can send automated birthday wishes to all our employees on their birthdays. So these are all my automations that I use to increase my productivity in my HR team. And you can use all these automation to increase your productivity and to get rid of all your repetitive tasks. So you can set up all these automation and you can say bye-bye to all your manual work, and you can let Pabbly Connect do all your work. So these are all my automation that I've created for enhancing my productivity. And if you want to learn how you can create all these automations, then you have to check out our YouTube channel where we have all the tutorials for creating these automations step by step. And you can check all those videos to create these automation. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.